Okay, so this is a little frustrating. A few minutes ago, or about 15 minutes ago, I took these buys on gold here. If you go over to the Facebook group, I actually posted a screenshot. Oh, by the way, some of the BD members are absolutely smashing it with the BD lately. They're trading. This is what I love about BD members. They come out with these crazy new settings and features and stuff like that. But anyway, so this BD member is trading the standard Binary Destroyer strategy with the standard RSI. But he's tweaked the RSI to show the dots, I believe. I haven't actually looked at this strategy yet. But the BD member's absolutely rinsing it. This is the kind of new craze in the BD group at the minute. But anyway, okay. I took this buy on gold, as you can see here. Gold again on 1 minute time frame. I really should trust this strategy more. We had a sell off on gold and we popped this setup, and I thought I'd go for a quick 50 pip stop loss, 50 pip take profit. Turns out the setup went 600 pips in less than 20 minutes. So as you can see here, this is the screenshot. This is the setup. These are my trades. And this is the live trade here. And yeah, basically, right, wasn't going to do a video, wasn't going to do any trading. I loaded up my charts and we had this massive sell off here. Right, on gold. 1 minute. By the way, this is gold 1 minute time frame, Mogwai strategy. I trade gold slightly different on the 1 minute time frame. If you're a BD member, you will know this already. In the members area, if you go to the Mogwai section, at the bottom of that page are videos on how I trade gold with the Mogwai strategy, the settings I use, everything like that, if you're wondering. But basically, we had this sell-off like this here. And I thought, you know what? I'm not going to take the trade because you can't ignore the momentum. You can't ignore that big sell-off there. I looked at the 4-hour time frame. And then I seen this nice area of support. You can see here, we've got a touch there. We've got a touch there. We've got a touch there. Price comes back down to this support. And I thought, you know what? We got the 4-hour support. We got the 1-hour support. We've got the Mogwai signal on we got the Mogwai signal on hold on, let me just have a quick look at something. Okay, we're doing okay. Let me just explain why I've just said that. Going back to gold, yeah, so we popped the Mogwai signal and I thought, you know what, bugger it, I'm going to take the trade. I'm going to take the trade because you've got to trust your own strategy. I went for a quick 50 pip stop loss, 50 pip take profit because I knew it was slightly against the trend. And what happened? 20 minutes later, 600 pip move to the upside. And you know what? I closed it off at 50 pips. It's really annoying. But anyway, the reason why I just showed you USDJPY is because this is what's funny, right? And this is what I love about gold. I'm also in some sells on USDJPY. Now, I took these trades 40 minutes ago, and USDJPY has moved in that time around 10 pips. In half the time, gold has moved 600 pips, and this is why I love gold. USDJPY again is the Mogwai strategy. Nothing different here. Mogwai signal. MACD has gone overbought. We have a nice bit of resistance there at the top. As soon as we close below the TCA line, I've gone for a sell. Obviously, my stop loss is, I've already marked it up, is here. It's red. My take profit, I've gone for 10 pips. So yeah, should win the trade. I don't see why I don't. I'm not, like I said, I'm not really bothered if I lose the trade because I'm still on like a 98% win ratio. As you can see here, February, 33 trades, 100% win ratio. January, I've only had one losing trade. But yeah, you know what? I should trust gold more. I really should. Because if you actually just look, right, what I like to do every single day with gold, 1 minute time frame, is just have a look at the winners. So we got this nice little buy there. That's one. Let me just bring myself in. So we've got, this is just the day. This is just today, right? We've got a nice winner there. We've got a nice little sell just here. So a nice little sell, that's 2. Obviously, you're entering this trade as soon as, in fact, I'm not going to tell you where I enter the trade because you're not BD members. But yeah, so that's, oh, hang on. Ooh, we got another signal. You know what? Do I take this trade? I might take the trade. Let me just explain. So we've got one winner down here. We've got 2. We've got 3. We've got 4. We've got 5. We've got 6. We've got 7. So 7 setups today on gold, all winners. Right, that's why I love gold. Now, I will tell you, we do get losses, okay? No strategy is 100%. You know, obviously, I have got a high win ratio. The only reason why I don't get many losses is down to two things. A bit of luck, I guess. And down to just experience. You know, I learned about support and resistance. You know, looking at gold, looking at gold here. I mean, here we go here, right? Let's break this setup down as well. Let's see if we can take it. Okay, so gold, RSI's gone overbought. Well, let me rephrase that. MACD's gone overbought. Mogwai signal. TCA lines inside the band, which is great. Have we got a resistance area? Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Okay, so we've got obviously what's happened here is we've had a strong buy off this level here. So we're currently pushing up. But the question is, how far are we going to push up? It looks like here that this is the next area of resistance. As you can see here, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So using a bit of experience, I think we might go a little bit higher. But let's go back down to the 1 minute and let's have a look. Okay, so we popped a Mogwai signal. We're going to push up slightly. You know what? You know what? Let me have a fit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come back in 5 minutes time, and I'm going to see what. You know what? You know what? I'm going to take a trade. You know what? I'm going to take a trade, but I'm going to lower my lot size. Because I don't like the fact that if you go back to the 4 hour, our resistance on this one is here. But look, you see how we're bouncing off the TCA line just here. See how we're bouncing off the TCA line just there. I might be able to get a few pips. I might, just a little bit. Like I said, I'm not going to go all out on this trade. So let's just go with gold AXU. We're going to take a sell. I'm going to decrease my lot size on this one to a 0.20. Here we go. I'm going to increase it. There we go. There. We're going to take a sell. I'm going to take 2 sells. See, 3 sells. Look at the spread on this. Look at the spread. It instantly goes minus 20 pips. That's just how big the spread is on gold. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. Not what I wanted it to do. But we'll monitor it. We're going to sit and monitor it here. Here we go. We're pushing down, which is great. This is great. What I'm doing here, right, is if there's any part of this video I want you to watch, is this part here. What's going on in my head, the cogs that are spinning right now, right? I'm looking at now, we've got a 4 hour resistance, which, okay, this isn't at a major resistance area, so it's a little risky, but looks like we're bouncing off that TCA line, which is good. I'm not expecting a large move from this, maybe a quick scalp, maybe 5, 10, 50 or 30 pips on this one. Let's say 30 pips on gold. With 1 hour, obviously, 1 hour, we're coming back up to this level. But I think on the 1 minute, let's go back to the 1 minute. Okay, so we're still pushing up. We bounced off that TCA line, but it's okay at the minute. Okay, so we're pushing up, which I'm not too worried about. Obviously, you might see me get a loss. I might close this trade off in a loss. My loss on this one is going to be here, above this, above the arrow. Okay, most of my stop losses are above the arrow. I just have this idea that the arrow protects my stop loss. I don't know why. But just keep an eye on it, okay? Because look, see on the 1 minute, we're going sideways. See how we're starting to go sideways? What I would like to see what happen now is this push down. If this candle pushes down below that TCA line, here we go. If that pushes below that TCA line, and that TCA line turns red, we're on the winning straight. That's what I'm hoping. It's slowing down, which is good. Okay, slow down. What I'm just going to do now is I'm going to rub the screen, encouraging gold to come down. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. I mean, how many times do people do that? You know, sit there and go, come on, please. Please, if there's somebody up there, just drop gold. But yeah, it's good. We're currently good. Like I said, I haven't got a big take profit on this. Going back to the 4 hour, what's happening on the 4 hour? Okay, we're bullish on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we've got a big buy off. But you know what? Let's look at the daily. Okay, daily. Well, okay, daily is sitting straight above this resistance. Look at that. So daily is been stuck into a range. So for the past few days, gold has been rising from this support line, and then all of a sudden today it's come back down and then been pushed straight back up. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Okay, nothing's happening. What I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll come back in a few minutes time. Okay, update. Yeah, look, it's doing exactly what I wanted to do, which is great. TCA line. Another thing you want to keep an eye on is also the fact that price has gone sideways. You see, where's my, so I can draw. See here how price has gone sideways. Okay, keep an eye on the MACD. See how the MACD's as well gone sideways and it's turning over. And the TCA line started to turn red. This is telling me that the momentum is slowing down. If you have a look at the 1 hour charts now, you'll see you'll start to see gold slowly coming down, which is fine because, like I said, I'm in a trade. All I'm interested in is a few pips. Look, we're below the TCA line now. Okay, we're below the TCA line. So yeah, like I said, I'll update you very soon. Oh, in fact, what am I about? I did get a Mogwai signal. I don't know what I'm going about. Yeah, I'll come back in a few minutes' time. Whoa! I was literally in the middle of emails and I just had a quick look at my charts and wow, this just happened. Okay. So I'm going to close these off now. These literally just went. Here we go. I'm going to close one off. I'm going to close another one off and I'm going to let this one go. I'm going to put 100 pip. You know what? No, I'm just going to close them all off. I'm literally just going to... There you go. I'm just going to close them off. But you see, that's the difference, right, between currency pairs and gold. USD/JPY is still doing nothing. It's still going sideways. And yeah, literally, that spiked to like 100 odd pips, didn't it? Let me have a look. Let me find... Where is it? It's going to be in my history. All history. Here we go here. So today I have done on gold around £400. Where was... I can't remember. I honestly can't remember. But yeah. Do you know what's going to be more annoying now? If I sit here, carry on doing emails, and this setup goes to like 600 pips again. That's going to be well frustrating. But anyway, my name is Jamie Palmer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, that's gold with the Binary Destroyer.